This is day 14 of the 30-day Green Smoothie Challenge. And for this smoothie, instead of basil bombing it, we're gonna do the same thing with parsley. We're gonna parsley bomb it. So throw your half bunch of parsley in the blender. Strip the dinosaur kale off the stems. We've really found a groove. We're moving and shaking. 2 weeks on smoothies. That's a big deal. Ask yourself, are you starting to feel any positive effect? Because around 2 weeks in, you should start noticing some things. Better bowel movement, easier time falling asleep at night, maybe some weight loss, an even mood, less cravings for sweet things. Any of those ring a bell? Then we have some frozen blueberries. In they go. We're going to do an entire apple. One banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4. And we're going to do half a lemon with the peel. Now the tricky thing about lemons is that the seeds will make an entire container of smoothie bitter, but the peel will give it zest. So you want to plop out all of the seeds and just do the lemon and the peel. So the entire lemon with its peel minus the seeds and water. Now we blend. And just like that, smoothie number 14 is done. And it's purple. The next challenge will be called the 30-day Purple Smoothie Challenge. Are you with me? Would you do it? Well, let's finish this challenge first, right? Another winner right here. Cheers, you guys.